welcome to this video. We are so excited. We just landed in Iceland. This is my husband's dream destination, so we are so excited. We can't wait to show you guys everything.
So can I play in the snow?
And yes, we rented a car. In most countries that we're able to, we do like to rent a car. We're going to be doing a lot of road trips here, so I definitely recommend renting a car in Iceland. So we went straight to our hotel. This is our hotel, and it's really close to the Blue Lagoon. And we chose this hotel because it's very far away from everything. It is not a lot of stuff around, which is so perfect for nighttime to be able to see the Northern Lights. And that's another reason why we are here. Para. Hey. I want to catch. Kevin, it's right here. All the proof I need. I don't say this, me estresa. Seriously, I can't deal with these kids. I can't. Silencio. This room was so cozy. We definitely used it every night after we were out and about. We would come back here to the hotel and hang out by the fire, play games, and just relax. I thought this was really cool that people are so honest here. They have an honest bar. You just get what you want and then you write your room number and that's it. And you be honest and you get your snack at night. And now let's go see our room. The room is nothing out of this world. It's a normal room, but I love this hotel because they wake us up at night. They're on call. If they see the lights, they will call us, and they did. They woke us up like at 3 in the morning. Hey, the lights are strong, come outside. So that's why this perfect hotel is so perfect. Outside, like the black rocks, is all from the hurricane. No, I'm thinking about Florida, of the erupted volcano that was recently. Since we arrived so early, we were able to make it to breakfast, eat breakfast, shower, get ready, and now we're gonna be out and about. We have all day ahead of us. Vida. Yeah. Hello. Pablo Disco Bar, that's funny.
You heard? Give me a chair.
But okay. Hi. Go ahead. Where's your gloves, Vida? So we found a restaurant after walking. And yeah, it's cute. It's called Laundromat. It's like the one in St. Beats. Kevin. It's such a cute place here. Did you guys record all the books, Kevin? Still good, yeah.
So much
Never mind. I thought it was like that. Never mind.
Rainbow.
Really, Vida?
Rainbow.
Rainbow Sky 60? Como que chama que é Rainbow Sky 60? Thank you. Thank you. Bye, thank you. Thank you so much. Now everybody leaves. Look, I have no jacket. Sing. Shorts, sem jacket, white beater. It's not only on the name of the hotel, but they really want you to see the lights. So they call you. The front desk called us. If you like, you let them know if you want to see it or not, and we said yes, of course. So they called us. We came outside on our first day, our first night. We already got to see a little bit of the lights. You can see it better when you take pictures than videos, but you can see a little bit here just to get the idea, the picture of what it looks like. It's so beautiful. We are so happy to be able to see it on our first night here. Amor, isso é 4 da manhã então, pô? So today we are doing the Golden Circle road trip in Iceland, and this is one of the reasons why it's so good to rent a car here, because there are a lot of road trips you can take around and it's not that far. Where's Kevin? We just got here, we parked the car, and the first stop of the Golden Circle. First stop.
It looks good, kid.
I know. I see. Huh?
I want to go down.
Oh, more?
Yeah, I want to go down there.
Ah, the bench is down there. I thought it was over here. See, if you don't if you don't have a car, Vida, come here! I'm so happy you touched snow for the first time. I love you, my amor. So if you, I already touched it in Boston when I was little. I lived there.
Oh.
So this is like you pay.
I thought you live in Brazil.
Second stop. Só isso? Tem que ficar parado. Ah, you did good. É só isso?
Sale una ola, de casi pela ola.
É rápido, né? It was not. It was 4 minutes then. Não, tem que deixar sem parar. Não, amor.
¿Te cogieron?
Yeah.
De cuidado.
Happy more? Empanar. É.
Aquele video estaba bien.
Sim, thank you. Sim, foi o vento talvez quando veio. Sim, and is it cold? I thought it was cold.
Más caliente, ¿qué querían?
No.
It's cold. Já esfriou, me deu um choque. It's cold because I mean it's so cold. Maybe over there it's hot. Over here it's cold because quando chega aqui já tá quente. Is it hot or cold, Vida?
In the middle.
In the middle, warm.
It's in the middle, Mommy.
Okay. It's cold because it's so windy. Aqui eu tô com frio. Ui, mas o vento tá... Ai. I guess you can go up there. Pode ir lá pra cima, mas eu não quero não, nem essa escada. Tá frio. Já aqui tá lindo. Bora. Chega. Olha. Amor. Very good. Like texting a guy who's not interested in you at all. It's not nice. It's not easy. No, they're here, I think.
Where can he go?
Sim, é o que eu falei. I smell. I know. We were in the mood for pasta. What happened? I don't know if I made a video. But... It's so cute, Vida.
Mommy, come.
Here. We're a video for YouTube. This is where we ate. A gente comeu aqui no Romano. Que era pasta, mas tinha outras opções.
Can you go mommy inside and go back here? Mommy, where's your
Dá pra ver você?
31, 32.
Ui, está ali. Uau! Uau, amor! Ixi, para que essa foi aqui. Não é do mundo, tô indo. Aí, ó.
Wish I can be in the picture.
You're in the picture. Hi.
Botei ele ali, ó, tá? Mira pra cá, mano. Desceu. Já.
Kitty.